The business.
I like a long head, red bone, thick with them legs long. Shot it head strong, blow me till her head gone. Shot it scream loud, shot it go moan. Call that music to my ears, headphones. After we get it in, you can head home. Then I'ma get your friend in my bedroom. I often fantasize I could get all you in the ride. Get so much pussy, I bet I could guess your panty size. August 4th, is you ready for me, girl? I fuck you better than them niggas in your world. Lick that kitty cat until she purrs me out. Beat it up so bad you wanna curse me out. If you're top modeling, if you're Twitter following, if you in the whip, who give a shit what kind of car you in? Every girl, I just want your bodies, let me borrow them. Treat them like they need it, I massage, touch and fondle them. Paint your body naked on my wall, and when you modeling, you bust it wide open like you always had it bottled in. Drizzy told G to throw his feet up on the ottoman. I'm starving, so I'm eating all these singers. I go harder, then pause, then I start again. Fall coming, autumn in. I just killed the summer and the shit ain't really started yet. All of my regards are in, I kill it, send a card to them. Fuck what niggas think, I hit the bank and start depositing. I tried to told them I'm a problem. You should bet the over, not the under, though the odds have been in favor of these niggas. You know they love Trigger, finger fucking make them bust. Get it? They love Trigger. You can catch me with the fine